What up, guys? Welcome back to Master Designs. Tonight we're going to draw Prestosuchus. One of my most favorite dinosaurs from the American Museum of Natural History. The first time I saw Prestosuchus, my dad and I got lost while we were traveling through the museum when we saw that huge sequoia tree. We traveled through the forest exhibition and took refuge in a small room. Here they had lots of playful activities, including assembling a skeleton that had a Prestosuchus skeleton on it. Prestosuchus has been a recent favorite to mine after I first saw it. What can I say? I took a huge liking to it. And besides, I'm compassionate about dinosaurs and other prehistoric animals that this city has to offer. New York City's like my home. And I've drawn up quite a lot of stuff. There we are. Anyways, drawing Prestosuchus is easy. We start with the skull that I recently just drew up. Shoot, out of lead. Let's start off with this one next. There we are, there's his foot. Oh yeah, another thing, I saw another Prestosuchus skeleton back on the level where they had the actual dinosaur bones. Basically, the dinosaur bones area, that's my most favorite part. To be honest, I don't really want it to stop there. There are lots of other exhibitions I want to visit. Did you know they have an Egyptian exhibit? That's something I've been looking forward to. And now that we've got it finished, Prestosuchus! Yeah, I just created a new joke. Amazing, right? Funny, isn't it? Anyway, I finally drawn the dinosaur I've always wanted to get done. This one goes out to everyone in the American Museum of Natural History. That's all for now, guys. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and let me know what dinosaur you want me to draw next. Stegosaurus, see you later. Farewell. And have a whiz-tastic night.